Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn Vlookup function in Excel, which is very important. But before starting that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our video and share it with your friends and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for all the new videos we post here. So let's get started. In Vlookup function, we have here monthly salary of employees for June month, and we have this data for some like 10 employees for example, and if we want to fetch the details of some particular employee, just we will type his name here and we will get his details like number of leaves, salary and remarks here. Okay, so how we do that is by using vlookup function. For vlookup function we will use formula here is equal to vlookup bracket. It is asking for lookup value. Lookup value means for which value you want to fetch details. So we want details for this cell. Means whatever is written in this cell, we will fetch the details of that cell. So when we will type any employee name here, we will fetch the details of that. So we are selecting this, and please don't forget to freeze that by double clicking and pressing F4. Now comma, and now it is asking for table array, means from which table we want to fetch the result for this particular employee. So our table array is this. We have selected this and also fix that by pressing F4. Now it is asking for column index number. Column index number means like we want to fetch number of leaves, and number of leaves are in column number 2 of this table array. So column index number will be 2. Now it is asking for range lookup, means we want approximate match or exact match. We want exact match, so we are using 0. 0 means false, and if you want you like 1, then it is true approximate match. We are typing here 0 because we want exact match. You can also similarly select false from here, both are the same thing, and bracket close, and now enter. Here it comes NA because we don't have any name here, so it is not fetching details for this. But when we type name here, the Sham, we will get the results. See, Sham have number of leaves, that is true. And similarly, if we want to fetch how much is his salary and how much is his remarks, we will again put the formula here, we look up. So by don't repeating the formula and don't typing it again and again, we will just drag it here, and so you will see 2 and 2 because we have not changed column index number till yet. So I am going to change here this to 3 because salary is in column number 3, and again enter. See, we have 28,000, and similarly here we will change it to 4 because remarks are in column number 4. So we'll get remarks good. Similarly, because this data is ready and VLOOKUP function have also been applied. So if you change name here to like suppose Jasmine, you will get the result for Jasmine. Let's see. Jasmine also have same to 28,000 and good. See here. So we should see different names. So for better understanding, we use John, right? For John, see here, number of leaves comes 3, salary 27 and work hard. And here is John, number of leaves 3, salary 27,000 and remarks are work hard. We can also use in VLOOKUP match function, if error function, and like here for selecting employee name, we can also use here drop down list so that we don't have to see the name and we can select the name from that list. We will cover up all in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned and comment how you like the video and what you want to know other than this. So bye bye, thank you.